Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Limuva Brightening lip serum subscription or Limuva subscription auto refill system. Okay, so there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first one is very easy, second one is little bit hard for you. So first of all, you need to visit on the official website limuva.com, and when you are on the official website you will see this kind of screen on your screen, and in this option you need to tap on your profile icon, like this kind of icon you need to select. And once you select this option, you need to enter your email ID. And once you enter your email ID and once you try to log in into your account, they will send you a code. You need to enter your code, and once you enter your code you will see this kind of dashboard. On here there is a order section, there is a profile section. In the order section you will see your product, and you can manage your product very easily. And if we talk about, like, if this method will not work, so it means you are not you are not going to cancel your subscription easily. You need to make lots of efforts, like you need to call your credit card customer support team, and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and you need to cancel your credit card because in today's time these kind of platform are very bad, and they are activating subscription without any, you can say, like knowledge. So we can say, like, the only last option to cancel your subscription is like canceling your credit card. This is the last option. Okay, so please hurry up and please try to cancel your credit card, get a new credit card, and once you get new credit card your subscription will end automatically. Okay, so this is the option, last option for you. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.